So what is an SPD? SPD, as name suggests, stands for Surge Protection Devices. It protects our electrical and electronics equipment from heavy voltage transients known as surges or impulse. Now, generally, lightning is going to strike and we don't know how it will be. So for the sake of testing and measurement, standard has has defined two type of current impulses. First one is 10 by 350 microsecond current impulse. Second one is 8 by 20 microsecond current impulse. 10 by 350 microsecond is basically equivalent impulse current of a positive lightning current. That means if we have to define a lightning impulse, it will be defined in terms of 10 by 350 microsecond, the positive lightning current. Second one is 8 by 20 microsecond, is an equivalent current of a transient over voltage. That means the surges which are going to generate due to some transient switching or some other coupling of lightning, those surges can be defined as 8 by 20 microsecond. I am going to explain the same through graph also. Like see, this is a normal waveform of a 10 by 350 microsecond impulse. You can see this particular impulse goes from 0 to 100% of its peak value in 10 microseconds, and from 100% of its peak value to 50% of its crest value in 350 microseconds. Hence, it is called as 10 by 350 microsecond waveform. Similarly, we have 8 by 20 microsecond waveform also, and you can see that in first 8 microseconds, it reaches its peak, and next 20 microsecond, it comes down to half of its crest value. From the waveform, it is very clear that lightning impulse has a very high specific energy and charge, so it can create more damage to your electrical system when compared to a 8 by 20 microsecond.